back to my channel and welcome back to another hotel review video. So today's video is mainly about my second stay at Sheraton Hyde Park Hotel. So Hyde Park in Sydney is the old urban park in Australia and it is massive at 16.2 hectares. It's massive. And it's split by Park Street with cool stuff like the Archibald Fountain in the north and the impeccable Memorial in the south. Super convenient spot, walking distance to Sydney's lively downtown. Perfect for soaking in the city's vibes. So this time around, I gotta give a shout out to the hotel lounge. I believe last time I had the same experience as well. It was really good. Even late at night, you get the killer view of Sydney. Plus, they serve up some seriously tasty grub. The only hiccup, brekkie can get a bit hectic. Imagine if they had a chill spot with a view of Hyde Park. That would be the dream. But hey, probably comes with a price tag. I hope you dig this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you're taking public transportation, just make sure you just get off at St. James Station because it's definitely closer to the hotel. There's one bus stop just right in front of the hotel entrance. It's called St. James Station at Elizabeth Street. This is the hotel entrance. Just let me zoom in. And I just want to go up a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see that. That is the Sydney Tower. So this is St. James Station. Then here is David Jones, Louis Vuitton. Then that is Westfield, Sydney Tower. Then this is Fendi just right in front of me. Second visit. First visit was in 2022. We do love the executive lounge, and the lounge is open between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Some apples. This could be apple juice. I'm not sure what it is. Some lemon water. So they have a separate line for Marie Bonfoy Ambassador Titanium, and here is a gallery.
Level 21, going down.
Alright, let's get started. Our room tours. Let me start from the left side. This is the wardrobe. We got 2 bathrobe, iron and ironing board as usual. Then here we got a bench to put our luggage. Got a in-room safe. Then here we got some laundry bags and 2 of the slippers. Full-length mirror on my right side. And this is our bathroom. So yeah, which is really good. We got a bathtub on the right side. They've prepared the dental kits for us already in the bathroom. This is the bath soap. Down the bottom, we've got a hair dryer. For this shower room, we've only got a fixed shower head. This time we are staying at a king bedroom with a Hyde Park view. This is our complimentary drink session. Some drinks inside this mini fridge. It's a marble desk, and good thing is like we've got a side table just right over there. So lovely. This is our welcome gift, welcome amenities, some fruits and a bottle of red wine. Then here we've also got a sofa at the corner and a side table, 4 pillows as normal.